Welcome back, fam. Today we are talking about a sleeping giant called, you know what, XRP. I will show you daily, weekly, monthly, tell you what in the short term you are scared and to some extent should be. But on the long term, maybe something completely different. Keep watching, we are diving into XRP. Yep, this looks pretty bad, but not that bad as you might think, because capitulation, this candle which very big volume might be already in, so we could be just slowly dying until we move to the upside again. That's just a wild hunch. We gotta discuss some levels that we just broke. This is a bearish looking daily short-term chart. First of all, we lost our band of 21 days. It's going to the downside, so is the price. In the short term for XRP, keep your bear gloves on. Secondly, we lost a very important zone, 60 cents. You can see why I'm calling it a zone, because we had some price movements below that zone, but the majority was above it. So something in this region, little below, is the zone of high importance. Now, you must take into fact that now this zone, when we recover slowly, will be our resistance, 60 cents. Okay, so even a bounce at this levels to 60 cents is nothing bullish, because let's be honest, you could be facing a move like this into the resistance zone, then a hard rejection to wash out all those weekends. Okay, because let me tell you something, I'm not Mr. Know-it-all, no, but this is something we gotta respect now, a downtrend that is in play, that took a big turn here a few days ago for the downside. Down, 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 always lower highs. So who's saying that at 60 cents is not the next point? Be careful. That said, maybe XRP is now bounded with this parallel channel that is going to the downside. Maybe we get thrown back into the middle line, or a worst case scenario, lower as 50 cents. We'll see. But until we break some crucial structural resistances like 60 cents, anything is possible, and you should remain bearish in the short term. But let's go to the weekly and talk something completely different. What I said on the daily, of course, you should take with a grain of salt on the weekly, because the picture completely changes. Here we have a very nice price trajectory and a very nice structure. What do I mean by that? First of all, we are above my band, and the band is aligned pretty nicely, so we are right there in that value zone. We could be bouncing off these levels at this moment according to this chart, and it would be completely great, normal, whatever you want to call it. So this is signaling nothing more than a continuation to the upside. Weekly chart, bullish looking chart. That's why I'm said daily, weekly, monthly, completely different. Of course, this is by far the most important than the daily, let's say. Now, if you don't believe what I just said, take a look at this line that is going all the way into the January of 2023. So 1 year ago we established an uptrend. Ladies and gentlemen, XRP is an uptrend, clean uptrend that is lasting for 1 year. And this narrative is not broken, not by any means. This week it touched this trend line. Again, one more proof that we could be spending maybe a few more weeks here and then continuing to the upside. Nothing bearish about it. Since I gave you the parallel channel on the daily, let's put it on the weekly in a completely opposite direction. What you can see here is a big, huge ass channel that's lasting for, well, literal years. It's a channel to the upside. And this arrow is showing that we could be reaching again into the middle line of this channel like we did here when we touched 70 cents. Again, nothing bearish about it. Hope you're agreeing with me. But the final touch, monthly chart. Now, when you're looking at this chart, what can we say? Is this looking bullish or bearish to you? Monthly chart, ladies and gentlemen, bullish. But so early bullish that it hurts, and so super optimistic that it hurts even more. Ladies and gentlemen, number one, we crossed above our band that we were in 2023 below, 2022, most of those years. That's first thing. Secondly, we retraced this month to touch this band from the previous two pretty ugly candles. So even if we go a little lower, this band could bounce us up. So this has all the signatures of the upcoming bull market. It is coming, although many will not believe. And I'm saying again, a big flush out could be happening pretty soon in the coming months, but that doesn't look into our trajectory, because we have that support, we have that band that will elastically thrust us to the upside. That's, my conclusion. I could be completely wrong, and if I am, don't listen to me. NFA and so on. But what's not to like about this? We have a big trend line below us. We have a big trend line above us. This is 2017. If you haven't noticed, this is 2021. And this is 2024. All is possible in this symmetrical triangle, but I am expecting at some point a break of this structure and then a huge fireworks like we've never seen before, at least in the last 5-6 years in XRP. This could be happening, people, and you could be fading it. This is a clear and nice setup on the monthly chart that could be unfolding into something much, much bigger. Of course, moves like this are quietly ongoing, but if you follow technical analysis, you should not be that surprised, because I am telling you right now and at this moment, band is turning bullish all the way from the summer of this year. We are preparing for bigger moves to the upside. The whole crypto space will move in one direction. At this moment, my direction will be upside. And at this moment, the dinosaur direction is this.